In this video, we'll look at a whimsical home built on the rock using shipping containers in Rockbridge, Ohio, United States. The Roca is a whimsical home wedge built between two towering rocks, one of the award-winning box hop getaways in the beautiful Hocking Hills area of southern Ohio. This house is built using 3 shipping containers with castle-like architecture. 2 40-foot containers are stacked at splayed angles and 1 20-footer on the side, enclosing an intimate private deck with a hot tub and a chimney for those outside fire nights nestled between the rocks. A well-crafted front door ushers you into an impressive foyer with large glass windows and accented by a spiral staircase tailored from steel connecting to the first level of the house. From the entrance lobby are 2 standard doors that open into a laundry room fitted with a washer and dryer and a toilet on the opposite side. The container accommodates a cozy living room with a small sitting corner that also doubles up as a sleeping space. Large glass windows help the home to open up and blend the lines between inside and outside. Past the living area is one-walled kitchen, fully furnished with quality kitchen appliances, quartz countertops, well-finished kitchen backsplash, under-the-counter storage cabinets, and a beautiful slit window with a glass cabinet to brighten up the kitchen space. Past the kitchen is a generous dining area that features a custom wooden dining table that can seat 6, plus large glass windows surrounding the space with the beautiful views of the rocks on the outside. The spiral staircase connects to the upper floor of the house. Upstairs, on one end, is the master bedroom, furnished with a king-size bed and fitted with adequately sized glass windows, which extend the bedroom space to the outdoors and offering maximum natural daylighting. Waking up to the sun streaming through the large windows and the beautiful big skylights above the head of your bed is quite breathtaking. On the other end of the first floor container is the warm second bedroom that has a comfortable twin over queen bed and a window overlooking the lush gardens with lots of natural light streaming in, creating a sunny and welcoming atmosphere. In addition, this bedroom is also fitted with the skylight to enhance daylighting, creating that captivating experience overlooking the sky above. The interior of the house embraces portions of a classical feel in selected areas of the house with a checkered floor and a wallpaper finish in selected spaces. The bathroom upstairs is fully equipped with a glass shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity, and a large bathroom mirror which amplifies brightness. The entire house has got its exterior walls painted in a light-colored finish, exposing the corrugated container walls throughout to maintain the industrial language of the design. In addition, wooden shingles and wood elements are also used on the exterior to soften the industrial texture of the outside. This brings out the contemporary rustic style. There is a fire pit in the backyard, which makes it a great way to spend summer nights outdoors or to keep warm when the weather gets chilly. This amazing house is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. We love everything about this amazing shipping container cabin. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.